you very much, Craig. Thanks for that kind introduction. Thank you all for being here at the summit and at my presentation. I was going to title my talk, The 4 Key Trends Driving the Proliferation of Visual Perception, Number 3 will amaze you. But the organizers of the conference seem to be a little too straight-laced for that. Big picture, bottom line. What my takeaway for today, for this presentation, is we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg. We are entering an era of unprecedented activity and acceleration in investment, in innovation, and in deployment of computer vision technology across a very broad range of applications and markets. I'm going to share 3 signals that I think support that thesis. In the lower left, this is a slide from Rudy Berger's presentation yesterday in this room. The big blue arrows are my additions to these slides. But this was, and I realize this is not really legible from the audience, but the idea here is just to emphasize, you see those bars growing exponentially. That's startup investment activity in the US and China in computer vision. The line is the number of companies being funded. The bar is the amount of money being invested. It increases approximately 100x in 6 years through 2017. So that's historical data. Then on the right, this is forecast data from market research firm Tractica for the aggregate computer vision software, hardware, and services business. Their forecast is growth of approximately 25x, 25 times, over the next 9 years, or roughly the next 9 years, from 2016, which is the baseline, to 2025.